Hi, I'm Daniel from ligo.co.uk and this is the Gigaset S850A cordless phone. The S850A is the home phone version of the S850A Go, one of our best-selling business phones. While it lacks the VoIP base station of its sibling model, it does share the same fantastic build quality and whole host of extra features. Design-wise, the S850A means business. Silver on the front and black on the back, it's made from the highest quality plastics for a real premium feel. The buttons are all separate with a nice tactile feel when you press them, and they're also backlit to make them that little bit easier to see and use. It's not a specifically robust phone like the Gigaset E630, but it's still tough enough to survive everyday use in a busy family home. The S850A has a full colour screen, and you can even add custom screensavers and contact photos if you connect it up to your computer. As per usual for Gigaset phones, the menu system is intuitive and clear, so it's easy to find your way around the phone book and the phone's many additional features. Here at LIGO, we tend to recommend Gigaset phones over other brands because of their unparalleled sound quality. The S850 is no exception to this, with crystal clear audio that sounds great on and off speakerphone. What's more, it has a full duplex loudspeaker, which cancels out the echo that you tend to get on cheaper cordless phones when you're on speaker mode. Setting up the S850A is nice and straightforward. Just plug the base in, pop the included rechargeable batteries into the handset, and you're ready to start making and receiving calls. If you're buying additional handsets, then these will need to be paired up with the base, but again this is very straightforward, and on-screen prompts will guide you through the process. Like all Gigaset phones, the S850A comes with a 2-year warranty for added peace of mind. And like all DECT phones, it offers up to 50 meters range indoors and up to 300 meters outdoors. If you need any extra range than this, or if you have thick walls which can cut down on how far your phones will go, then the S850A is also repeater compatible too. Unlike many cordless phones, the S850A has Bluetooth connectivity, which means you can use it with a wireless headset. Or if you'd rather use a corded headset, it has a 2.5mm jack on the handset as well. Finally, the S850A has an extensive phone book memory with space for up to 500 contacts with 3 numbers each, and a built-in answering machine with up to 55 minutes recording time. So there we have it, the Gigaset S850A, a superb premium model that offers everything you could need from a modern cordless phone. To find out more, or to get your hands on one for yourself, go to ligo.co.uk.